If you're an aspiring franchise buyer, an investor, or maybe a corporate professional looking to finally step into business ownership, you already know that picking the right sector is literally everything. Today, we're looking at a frankly incredible business opportunity that's actively disrupting the entire senior care industry. We're talking about a model that is completely replacing those sterile, large-scale institutions with highly profitable, compassionate neighborhood homes. Welcome to this explainer on the Avendelle Assisted Living franchise opportunity. We're going to unpack the model, the massive growth potential, the financials, and the real-world results that make this a seriously standout asset class.
Now, I want you to really picture this for a second. Imagine a model where investors can capitalize on the booming, aging population, but without compromising on the quality and intimacy of care. Picture a beautiful residential home tucked away in a quiet neighborhood. Not a hospital, not a massive, echoing facility, a real home. This is the core question driving the entire Avendelle model. What if senior care felt exactly like home? By answering that question, they've unlocked a business opportunity that resonates so deeply with families, creating a highly stable, demand-driven investment for franchisees.
And look at the sheer market momentum here. With recent industry features highlighting these unprecedented demographic shifts, like the May 2025 feature in Franchising Magazine USA titled The Aging Population Boom, the demand for premium alternative senior care is absolutely skyrocketing right now. We're looking at a massive demographic wave. And as an investor, you want to position your capital in front of that wave, right? Not paddling behind it. This isn't just some fleeting trend, it is a long-term foundational shift in our population.
To really get why this opportunity works so well, we have to look at the current landscape. Traditional, large-scale facilities often struggle with higher margins for error and, let's face it, pretty impersonal environments. When you build massive institutional facilities, personalization just inherently drops. Avendelle flips this entirely on its head. Boutique residential homes prioritize dignity and personalized attention right inside residential neighborhoods.
Okay, let's move into Section 1, the Avendelle Boutique model.
Let's look at exactly how Avendelle engineered a solution to this gap in the market. They operate on a totally different paradigm. They specialize in high-quality, non-institutional care homes for seniors that are located seamlessly within residential neighborhoods. And they're already operating successfully in places like Raleigh, Cary, Apex, Fuquay-Varina, and Rolesville, North Carolina. You are quite literally moving world-class care directly into the neighborhood. This zoning and operational strategy means your business becomes an integrated, natural part of the community, which is incredibly powerful for your local marketing and word-of-mouth family referrals.
Now this right here brilliantly illustrates their operational edge, 3-to-1. This massive differentiator represents their average resident-to-caregiver ratio. From a care perspective, a metric like that drastically reduces operational errors and ensures just unparalleled one-on-one attention. But from a business and investment perspective, this is your absolute primary value proposition. When a family is touring your franchise location, telling them about this 3-to-1 ratio provides the ultimate peace of mind. It drives high occupancy rates, it easily justifies premium pricing, and it builds a level of trust that large institutions simply cannot mathematically offer.
So the crucial takeaway is how these operational details directly translate into consumer benefits. The Avendelle difference is built on an intimate, home-like environment, personalized care, and family-focused facilities that actually encourage resident independence. But I want you to look closely at that last bullet point, all-inclusive pricing. For an investor or a multi-unit operator, an all-inclusive pricing model drastically simplifies your billing operations and creates highly predictable revenue streams. And for the families, it completely eliminates the stress of nickel-and-dime billing. By offering these core benefits, franchisees can easily attract families who want their loved ones treated with the utmost dignity. It's a huge market advantage.
Now, any smart franchise buyer wants to see a real proof of concept, and this timeline brilliantly illustrates the brand's sustainable, tested growth. They opened their very first assisted living home way back in 2005. They spent a full decade, 10 years, refining the model, perfecting the operations, and ensuring the unit economics totally made sense before they officially began franchising in 2015. By 2024, they've expanded to 23 US units. This proves that this isn't some new, risky experiment. It's a battle-tested model scaling steadily over nearly 2 decades. You're investing in a proven playbook. Let's transition over to Section 2, Investment and Financials Breakdown.
Because transparency is absolutely crucial when analyzing the financial viability of any asset class, right? Looking at the capital requirements, the initial franchise fee is a standard $45,000. But what's really compelling here is the total investment range.
falling between $238,375 and $538,500. If you look at traditional, large-scale senior care facilities, you're usually looking at multi-million-dollar commercial real estate projects. Here, investors can enter a highly lucrative personal care sector at a fraction of that cost. You'll need $225,000 in liquid cash to ensure you have the operational runway needed while your facility ramps up to full occupancy. Coupled with a relatively accessible net worth requirement of $750,000, this is a highly attractive entry point into healthcare, especially for corporate professionals transitioning into ownership.
The ongoing economics are incredibly standard and very favorable for the franchisee. You've got a 6% royalty fee and a 2% ad royalty fee. This combined 8% structure is what funds the continuous brand innovation, the marketing frameworks, and all the heavy operational support you get from headquarters. The agreement term is a standard 10 years, which is renewable, giving you a long, healthy runway to build generational wealth. Oh, and importantly, they do offer veteran discounts to honor those who have served.
Up next is Section 3, Franchisee Support and Operations.
Now, I know one of the biggest hesitations investors have when looking at the senior care sector is having to navigate all those complex healthcare regulations. But listen, you're not expected to do it alone. Avendelle has built a robust corporate support infrastructure specifically designed to de-risk this process for you. They provide robust compliance assistance and extensive state licensing support. That is huge. It means you don't need a decades-long background in healthcare administration to be a successful owner. They just hand you the established operational procedures and proven marketing frameworks. The corporate team handles the heavy lifting of compliance blueprints so that you, the owner, can focus squarely on what actually drives revenue: high-quality care, staff management, and building strong relationships in your local community.
Which brings us right back to their core operational philosophy. As they state perfectly, our highly trained staff is more easily able to provide special one-on-one care, which is simply not found in a larger institution. Honestly, that's not just a clever marketing line, it's a structural reality of the boutique model. This operational philosophy ensures your staff actually feels supported, and your residents are exceptionally safe. And in the senior care business, that directly translates to high employee retention, full occupancy, and a stellar reputation in your market.
Finally, let's cover Section 4, your next steps with NFA.
So how do you take all this information and actually execute on it? How do you properly evaluate and secure a territory for this opportunity? Well, this is where you really need the right advisory team in your corner. The National Franchise Association, or NFA, is your essential gateway here. They act as an expert advisory board designed specifically to help you match your exact financial dreams and available capital with the right franchise. They are absolutely dedicated to helping investors create true generational wealth through the franchise industry. So whether you're looking for just a single unit or you want to access their exclusive multi-unit owner networks, NFA provides the high-level strategic guidance you need to confidently evaluate premium brands like Avendelle.
I want to leave you with this final, provocative thought to chew on. You've seen the demographic wave coming. You've seen the financial accessibility of the boutique model. And you've seen exactly how a 3-to-1 ratio completely transforms the standard of care. So the question is, are you ready to create real, scalable wealth while fundamentally transforming senior care in your community? If you're ready to explore this further, head over to nationalfranchiseassociation.com right now to start your journey into lucrative, impactful franchise ownership. Let's get to work.